Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Redotpay. So guys, follow me in this video. The first step guys, you need to do log in your account to your PayPal account and go to wallet, and after that click linked card, click this option linked card. And after that guys, what you have to do, all you have to do, just enter your information for your Redotpay credit card. See your information here, card type, Visa or MasterCard. This is on case MasterCard, and enter your security code and enter your card number. After that guys, make you have a balance on your credit card, and once your Redotpay card linked to PayPal, select on transfer money and choose the option of transfer to your Redotpay card and enter amount you want to transfer. After that guys, confirm the transaction. This is how you can do guys. Just follow this this guide and this will help you for you. Then thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.